Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S23. With the latest technology, cutting-edge design, and powerful features, this device is set to take the smartphone market by storm. The Samsung Galaxy S23 supports multiple network technologies including GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you go. The Samsung Galaxy S23 was officially announced on February 1, 2023, and is expected to hit the shelves on February 17, 2023. Stay tuned for more updates on its availability. The Samsung Galaxy S23 boasts a sleek and durable design, with a glass front and back protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and an aluminum frame with armor technology for added drop and scratch resistance. It is also IP68 dust and water resistant and comes with a nano SIM and eSIM or dual nano SIM and eSIM options. The Samsung Galaxy S23 features a stunning 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 technology, providing a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and also features an always-on display. The Samsung Galaxy S23 runs on Android 13 with One UI 5.1 and is powered by the Qualcomm SM8550, AX Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, an octa-core CPU, and the Adreno 740 GPU. It comes in different memory options with no expandable memory and offers fast and efficient performance. The Samsung Galaxy S23 packs a powerful triple camera setup, with a 50MP wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultrawide lens, making it ideal for capturing stunning photos and videos. The front-facing 12MP selfie camera also provides clear and high-quality images. Both the front and rear cameras support 4K and 8K video recording and offer features like LED flash, auto HDR, and panorama. The Samsung Galaxy S23 features stereo speakers and does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. In terms of connectivity, the Samsung Galaxy S23 supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, NFC, and USB Type-C, offering a wide range of options for staying connected. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is loaded with features including a fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer, and Samsung DeX and Samsung Wireless DeX for desktop experience support. It also has Bixby natural language commands and dictation and supports Samsung Pay for secure and convenient mobile payments. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is equipped with a 3900 mAh non-removable battery that supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Get up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes with the advertised 25-watt wired charging and enjoy all-day battery life. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is available in Phantom Black, Cream, Green, Lavender and comes in several models. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.